Lockout, Tagout. If you work with industrial machinery, you know that it frequently needs to be repaired, upgraded, or serviced. You also know that broken machinery or machinery under repair can be extremely dangerous to employees who are using it. Working on that equipment exposes you to sharp edges, heavy moving pieces, and potentially electric shock, all of which can cause serious, permanent injuries or worse. That's why formal lockout tagout procedures, sometimes shortened to LOTO, have been developed and put in place by law in Canada and other industrialized countries around the world. LOTO is designed to warn and protect employees when equipment is under maintenance. This training module will help you learn and understand LOTO procedures and processes, so you and other employees can work safely when working around malfunctioning equipment and prevent potential injury during repairs and maintenance.